Car one. Rescue one's on the service for fuel tank repairs, fuel pump, and other things. So we're using car one. I'm not like car one parking rescue one's garage tonight since it ain't here. This was my first fire chase car in Windsor, Vermont. I got it back and let the wife drive it as we slowly fixed it and rebuilt it from tail to nose. Last thing we did was paint and the bodywork, including the roof and the inside. I polished the wheels twice. I might need a third time. Wigwags, I didn't put them on yet. I'm going to park and rescue on the garage tonight. Just for the whole symbolism thing. Thanks for watching.